This Better Homes and Gardens Real Estate Central Property video is presented by Kim Wade. True early 20th century farmhouse on over 11.5 gorgeous acres. So many original features. Renovations completed from top to bottom in last 11 years include but are not limited to whole house generator, roof, windows, HVAC, kitchen, baths, flooring and more. Main level master bedroom and half bath, open kitchen and dining, above ground pool with partial deck, heated detached garage and tool shed for the lawn equipment, mature fruit trees. Property borders small creek but does not require flood insurance. For more information, review the details below or contact Kim Wade at 304-776-7653.